What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 0.792 or down 0.78 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 7.64 billion. 24 volume, 376 million. So if we look at the charts, what I'm looking for is the 5-wave move into the wave C. So potentially we've come down in a wave 1, as you can see. Just grab my brush, micro count 1, 2, potentially 3, pushing up into 4, come down to one more lower low in a 5 before pushing up in the wave 2, and then come down 3, 4, 5 towards 63 cents to complete the wave 2 pullback. That's what I think is likely. If we were to break this B wave high, then simply the wave B, if it isn't finished yet, and you'd have to look at A, B, C, because the wave B is a 3-wave move. But as of right now, we have a nice so far 3 waves down. So if we create one more lower low and then bounce, we could definitely be looking for a wave 2 pullback before coming deeper in a 3, 4, 5. We're looking for that bounce for BTC. I do think we could see one more low before that. If we just bounce from here, the micro counts can be inaccurate, then we can start to put in the wave 2. But I wouldn't be surprised to see one more low before seeing that bounce. As you can see with the head and shoulders, we're just starting to break that neckline. So if we do bounce up and we start to roll over, we break the neckline again, then we can start to break down from the head and shoulders if we just see a straight drop from here. As I mentioned, I don't think we'll reach the technical target, but instead come down to the 78.6% fib level, which is at about 62 cents. That's what I'm looking for. As you can see right here, about 62, 63 cents. Price of Ethereum, I think we'll see one more low. Potentially, I'm looking to see if we'll create one more higher high. I think it's a possibility. If we fail to do so, we roll over, then this impulse is finished. But I think there's a decent chance we may put in one more low first and then break out of this wedge and potentially push up to 2763. If we create one more low, then the price will change a little bit. We need to break that wave 3 high. Complete this wave 1 in yellow and then see a larger wave 2 pullback. That's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. And yeah, basically create a higher high and then boom, pull back. Maybe retest that wedge before continuation back to the upside. Bearish divergence on the RSI. So once we see that start to cross the 50 line, if we create one more higher high, we should still see the bearish divergence on the daily and then potentially put in a larger correction for ETH. That's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. As I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we see one more low before the bounce, but we could bounce from here. We have come down to that support level that I've dropped in. Put in the wave 2, get rejected, come down 3, 4, 5 to complete this wave 2 pullback. Could take a couple months, as corrections can take a long time to play out. But that's a-okay. We are currently in 3 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitinix. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Just let it load up here, including for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. Yeah, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses. Email me after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis. We're in trades for US oil, gold, Euro USD, British pound USD. And we're in 3 crypto trades as well. Trade forex, trade crypto, all in one place. All links down below. Go check them out. If you want direct access, $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.